Welcome to my channel. Now, here we are going to construct this object using isometric drafting. As you can see here, so we have this is the right face, and this is the left face, and this is the top face. So I'm going to start with the construction of this left face. Then I proceed to draw the front face, the right face, and also the top face. So we first of all switch to isoplane left. So switch to isoplane left. Then I want to have another color that I will use. So okay, so color. Okay, so let me use this particular color. So let me use this color. Okay, so now, so I will click on line. As you can see this face, so from here to here is 45, and from here to here is 70, from here to here is 20, here to here is 25, this is 20, and this is 25, and this is 5, and then this is 70. So then I will click on here. I have what 70. So this is 70. So then next we have 5. So this is 5. Then next we have 25. So then we have 20. So enter. So then we have 25. So enter. Then we have 20. So enter. Then we have what we have 70. Enter. Then we have what we have 45. Enter. So we have created this space. Okay, so we have created this space, this face. So now let's create this right face. Let's create this right face. So to do that, so we need to switch to isoplane right. So so we click on line. Coming to this point, we have what we have 45. So it is 45. Look at the dimensions that we have there. So this is 45. Then here we have what we have 70. Then here we have 45. So 45, enter. So right click, enter. So now, so we have created this rectangle without this one that we have here. So we have created it. So now, so let's create this this square on the top face. So we need to switch to isoplane top. So then we click on line. So then here we have 45. So enter. So then we have another 45. Enter. So right click, enter. Okay, so now so let's create this square that we have here. So look at this square. So is it not the square, it's a rectangle. So from here to here is 25, from here to here is 20. So we are still making use of isoplane top. So I just click on the line, then from this point. So I will move 5 forward. So this is 5, enter. Then here we have what we have. So that's going to total, we're going to, that is this 5 from here to here and 20 from here to here, that will be 25. So I'm going to enter 25, enter. Then here we have what we have 25. So enter. Then we have 20, so 20, enter. Then here we have what we have 25, enter. So right click, enter. So then we need to trim this. So let's trim it at once. So we remove this. Right click, enter. Okay, so we have not completed it. We have not completed it. So let's so we need to draw this line. So I just click on line. So coming to this point here. So I will draw the line. So I need to escape it. So I need to put off isometric drafting. Then I come to this point. So the vertical line. So just let me say tight C, enter. So right click, enter. So I need to trim the excess line. So remove this, right click, enter. Okay, so we have completed that part. So there's a line here. There's a line here that we need to draw. So that means we need to switch to isoplane right. But before that, so I want to make use of isoplane top to create a rectangle at the bottom of this object so that I can create this. So let me do that at once. So we click on line. Okay, so then we have this is, sorry, I need to put on the isometric drafting. Okay, so click on line. So coming to this point, here we have what we have 10. So enter. Then we have what we have 20. So enter. Then here we have what we have 10 again. Enter. So right click, enter. So we need to erect vertical line on each of these points. So putting off isometric drafting. So click on this line on the line. So here we have this is 15. So the height is 15. Right click. So enter again. Repeat the line. So at this point, so here we have 15 again. So enter. Right click. Enter. Then repeat 9. So here we have 9. So right click. Okay. So click on that point. We have 15. Enter. Then right click. Enter. So now, so we need to put on isometric drafting. So let's say, okay, we are still on isoplane top because we want to draw this top rectangle. So here, so we click on line. So coming to this point, so here, so then we click at this point. So at this point, okay. So then here we have what we have 10. So enter. Then here we have what, so click this, so enter. So we need to remove some line. So before we do the removal, so before we trim the line, so we need to trim this line, we trim this line, and we trim this line. Before we do that, so I want to switch to isoplane right, so that I can draw this line that we have here. So click here. So that is click on line, then draw this line. So let's say this is what this is 30, enter. So right click, enter. So we need to trim this line also. So I will come to trim or modify to. So and then I will trim this line. So trim this line, so trim this, and trim this, and then trim this. So look at what we have here. We have constructed this particular object. As you can see, it is as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. As I said, make sure you are able to construct this using the manual method. Thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.